It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.